Hello po mga ka-Jesnabs. Welcome back po sa ating channel. Meron pong inilabas na circular letter ang Department of Budget and Management. Ito ay para sa lahat ng heads of department sa mga government offices. Ang subject nito ay reminder on the judicious and prudent use of government funds for the conduct of FY 2025 year-end gatherings, celebrations, and other similar activities or events. Pinaalalahanan ng Department of Budget and Management or DBM ang lahat ng tanggapan ng gobyerno na gawing simple, makabuluhan at may malasakit ang kanilang mga Christmas at year-end celebrations. Lalo na't marami pa ring Pilipino ang dumaraan sa pagsubok. Dapat maging maingat, sensitibo at responsable ang mga kawani ng gobyerno sa paggastos ngayong nalalapit na ang holiday season, lalo na't may mga lugar sa bansa na tinamaan ng sunod-sunod na kalamidad. Nako, kawawa po. Yung lalong-lalo na yung nasa Cebu, So kung ako lang ang pwedeng mag-donate na lang doon sa mga nasalanta, Ito yung mga policies na pinagbatayan ng order na ito, Itong circular letter. Ito yung Executive Order number 292 or Administrative Code of 1987. Kung saan yung mga government resources ay dapat i-manage at i-expend o gamitin na umaayon sa batas at saka mga regulasyon. At ang pagbantay sa pagkalugi or pagsayang dahil sa illegal or improper na paggamit ng pera. So yun po. Pangalawa ay itong Republic Act number 6713 o ito ay tinatawag na Code of Conduct and Ethical Standards of Public Officials and Employees. So ito po yung mga norms of conduct and ethical principles expected of all government personnel. So it directs all public officials and employees to ensure that all government resources of their respective offices must be employed and used efficiently, effectively, honestly, and economically, particularly to avoid wastage of public funds and revenues. Pangtatlo ay itong sa COA Circular number 2012-003, So, provides valuable guidance to all heads, officials, and employees of government agencies for the prevention of irregular, unnecessary, excessive, extravagant, and unconscionable expenditures or uses of government funds and property in order to adhere to the policy that such funds and property should be fully protected and conserved. Sabi ni Secretary Pangandaman, mahalaga ang pagdiriwang at pagkakaisa. Pero huwag din nating kalimutan na marami sa ating mga kababayan ang patuloy na nahihirapan, lalo na yung mga tinamaan ng kalamidad. Gusto ng Pangulo na maging sensitibo at maunawain tayo sa kanilang kalagayan. Ang pinakamagandang paraan para magdiwang ay ang magbalik at tumulong. Oo nga naman mga ka-Jesnabs. Basahin po natin itong Annex D mga ka-Jesnabs. Nakasaad dito na Annex D thereof enumerates instances constituting excessive expenditures and expressly provides for excessive expenditures in the celebration of Christmas, anniversary, and other special occasions as among those that must be prevented. Okay, ito naman pong Annex A ay nakalagay na thereof enumerates instances of extravagant expenditures and expressly provides for the purchase of wines, liquors, cigars, and cigarettes except when served during state functions and government-sponsored international conferences and conventions, as well as the payment for rent of expensive halls or rooms in luxury hotels or restaurants used for meetings or seminars and other official functions, except when such hotels or restaurants are used for government-sponsored international conventions, meetings, and the like, as among those to be avoided. So, wala na. Hindi na pwedeng lumabas. Sa school na lang tayo mag-Christmas party, mga ka-Jesnabs. Okay, ito pa. Pursuant to the formation policies in line with the DBM's mandate to promote the efficient and sound utilization of government funds and revenues to effectively achieve our country's development objectives, all government agencies are strongly reminded to exercise judicious and prudent use of government funds in the conduct of FY 2025 year-end gathering celebrations and other similar activities and events. Tayo mga teachers, mga ka-Jesnabs, bawal yung wines kung ito ay bibilhin ng school, pero pag galing sa bulsa, di yan bawal. Agencies are encouraged to hold sensible, mindful, and meaningful celebrations of gatherings that foster camaraderie and boost the morale of their personnel, while ensuring inclusivity and respect to the diverse beliefs, traditions, and economic circumstances of all government employees. So such activities should likewise embody compassion and empathy and foster a sense of unity and shared purpose within the organization. It shall be the responsibility of the heads of agencies to ensure the strict implementation of observance of all pertinent laws, rules, and regulations governing the judicious and prudent use of government funds. Basta bawal ang extravagant, yun po. Okay guys, hanggang dito na lang. Pirmado na po ito, pero hindi ko po ipapakita. Bye-bye. Ingat po kayo dyan. Lalong-lalo na may palapit na naman na bagyo.